Taj Mahal, often called Tadj Mahal, is a mausoleum complex in Agra, in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, in the west. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahn, reigned 1628 to 1588, erected the Taj Mahal to honor his wife Mumtaz Mahal, also known as Chosen One of the Palace, who passed away in childbirth in 1631 after being the emperor's constant companion since their marriage in 1612. It is located in the eastern section of the city on the southern bank of the Yamuna River and is arguably the most well-known and recognizable structure in all of India. The Taj Mahal lies roughly 1 mile (1.6 kilometers) to the west of Agra Fort, which is situated on the right bank of the Yamuna. The Taj Mahal is recognized as the best illustration of Mughal architecture, a synthesis of Indian, Persian, and Islamic traditions, in its harmonious proportions and seamless incorporation of ornamental elements. Other features include exquisite gardens, a museum, and twin mosque structures that are positioned symmetrically on either side of the tomb. The Taj Mahal, one of the most exquisite architectural designs in the world and one of the most recognizable landmarks, attracts millions of people every year. In 1983, the complex received the UNESCO World Heritage designation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos.